What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to do a comparison between this Red Magic 6S Pro and Black Shark 4S Pro. Yeah, this one is the newest gaming smartphone. This one comes with Snapdragon 888 Plus, and this Red Magic 6S Pro also comes with Snapdragon 888 Plus. If you consider the price, yeah, I have given the prices over here and here. Yeah, the price of Red Magic 6S Pro is a bit cheaper than Black Shark 4S Pro. 6S Pro, 4S Pro, the names are really confusing. Anyway, today we are going to do a detailed comparison between these two smartphones and let's check which one is better. Keep in mind that I have already done a camera comparison video of this Red Magic 6S Pro with iQOO 8 Pro and Asus 5S Pro. So if you want to watch that camera comparison video, the link is given in the description box below. Also, if you want me to do a camera comparison between this Red Magic 6S Pro and Black Shark 4S Pro, then please make a comment and let me know. At the beginning, let us check what things we get inside the boxes. Let's do the unboxing. First, I will do the unboxing of this Black Shark 4S Pro, and then I will ask Anna to do the unboxing of this Red Magic 6S Pro. Okay, after opening the box, you will see there is something written in Chinese, something like, yeah, for gaming, we aren't any strangers. Okay, let's see what we have inside this small box. I think there is a TPU silicon protective case. Some stickers. These stickers looks gorgeous, better than those OnePlus stickers. Definitely there is a SIM ejector tool. Let's put the smartphone aside for a while and let's check what else we have inside the box. Wow, Black Shark even have provided a cardboard with all the specifications written on it. Yeah, it's in Chinese, but it's easy to understand. It's Snapdragon 888 Plus, 6.67-inch AMOLED panel, 120 watt charging, 4500 mAh battery. Yeah, there is a 120 watt charger included in the box and a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Let's unwrap this newest gaming beast. Well, before we talk about this, let's check the unboxing of Red Magic 6S Pro. Well, before we start the video, I had to buy both of these two smartphones. Nobody provides me with any review units, so I always try to provide my honest opinion. I definitely wish that these brands start to provide me with review units, but I'm not gonna give up to share the truth. So if you end up liking this video, if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's start our comparison video between this Red Magic 6S Pro and Black Shark 4S Pro. Okay, in hand both feels good, but definitely Black Shark 4S Pro feels more smooth due to its matte finish. Glossy finish at the back of Red Magic 6S Pro makes it shiny, but you will find it hard to keep it in grip without any protective case. But camera bump on Red Magic 6S Pro is not as protruding as Black Shark 4S Pro. Build quality and weight management is also better on Red Magic 6S Pro. If you like trendy and posh design language, then you will surely like this Red Magic 6S Pro. I don't like that big text. Why would we need to have that Black Shark written at the back? Also, that RGB light underneath the camera doesn't go with the flow of the design. Moreover, that S logo of Black Shark beside those texts, very awkward. Sorry, this doesn't match my taste. Thanks to Red Magic that they offer a very good quality protective case at a very affordable price. Yeah, you need to buy this separately, but for Black Shark 4S Pro, you have to use that cheap TPU protective case, which isn't only ugly, but also makes the phone look like a cheap smartphone. On the right side, both the smartphones have shoulder triggers for gaming. Black Shark 4S Pro gaming button is mechanical and you can enable or disable the buttons with another sliding button. Also, Black Shark Forest Pro fingerprint sensor is side mounted on the power button. Red Magic 6S Pro has an extra mic on the right side, and as this smartphone got an active cooling fan inside, there are fan vents on the both sides of this 6S Pro. On the left side, there is a button to enable game lobby on Red Magic 6S Pro. Yeah, I like that red accent. And yeah, volume rockers of both the smartphones are on the left side. Similar to 6S Pro, Black Shark Forest Pro also got an additional mic for gaming, but it's on the left side. On top, there is a dedicated speaker for stereo sound on Black Shark Forest Pro. Red Magic 6S Pro depends on the earpiece for the stereo setup. Yeah, later we will do a sound quality test and you will get surprised with the performance. On top, there is a noise cancellation microphone and antenna pad on both of the smartphones. There is a 3.5mm port on top of Red Magic 6S Pro. And yeah, that 3.5mm port is at the bottom of Black Shark Forest Pro. Also, there is a speaker grill and a USB-C port at the bottom of both the smartphones. Okay, these are side press shoulder triggers and these have 450Hz touch sampling rate, which is way better than Black Shark's mechanical shoulder triggers. Okay, after I've got this one, what I have done is I have drained the batteries of these two smartphones and we will start with battery charging speed test. I'm gonna use a 65W charger from Nubia with this Red Magic 6S Pro, and definitely I will use that 120W charger with this Black Shark Forest Pro. Let's start our charging speed test. Yeah, Black Shark Forest Pro got a 4500 mAh battery and Red Magic 6S Pro got a bigger 5050 mAh battery. So with a 65W charger, Red Magic 6S Pro will definitely take longer than Black Shark Forest Pro. I have checked many times and Red Magic 6S Pro never got to get charged at anything beyond 55W, while Black Shark Forest Pro gets charged at 120W for initial 5 to 6 minutes. After 10 minutes, Red Magic 6S Pro is at 38% and Black Shark Forest Pro is at 75%. Already there is a huge difference. After 15 minutes, Red Magic 6S Pro is at 52% and Black Shark Forest Pro is almost fully charged. It already got 95% charged. Okay, Black Shark Forest Pro shown that it is 100% charged after 18 minutes 47 seconds, but it continued to get charged for next 10 minutes. Yeah, Red Magic 6S Pro also shown that it got charged after 40 minutes, but as usual, this one also continued to get charged. Finally, after 65 minutes, Red Magic 6S Pro is fully charged. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are gonna run Antutu Benchmark back to back 3 times. Not once, not twice, 3 times, and we will check whether there is any thermal throttling or not, and we will also check how much battery gets drained each time. Strange enough, we cannot add any benchmarking application into the game lobby of Black Shark Forest Pro. So I was worried that we cannot use that optimized performance. But the truth is, when we run any benchmark application, Black Shark Forest Pro automatically gets to an optimized state. Yeah, it's easy to add Antutu and 3DMark into Red Magic 6S Pro game lobby, and I have enabled that internal cooling fan to get the best performance. After the first run, both got a very similar score of 866,000. Forest Pro is only around 400 points ahead. Let's run again and check what type of thermal throttling or performance drop we can expect from these smartphones. Okay, there is a huge difference. Black Shark Forest Pro is almost 9,000 ahead of Red Magic 6S Pro, and that is really a big difference. But we need to run Antutu one more time to get a better picture. Yes, now we can see Red Magic actually got stabilized at a point with the help of better cooling management, but Black Shark Forest Pro couldn't keep up. Well, we have checked battery charging speed test, we have checked Antutu Benchmark, we have checked Antutu Thermal Throttling. What else we should do before we do some gaming? Yeah, we should run 3DMark, the gamer's benchmark. I prefer that one over Antutu because that one offers more details and that one is more reliable. We will run the stress test on 3DMark, the gamer's benchmark, and let's see which one does better. This is a long process. This benchmark on 3DMark is the most demanding one. It runs 20 loops. Each loop is around 1 minute long, and you can see from the frame rate, none of these smartphones could go beyond 40 frames per second. Yeah, as expected, Red Magic 6S Pro has done better, but Black Shark 4S Pro is a bit more stable. Truly, the differences are almost negligible. Benchmark and thermal performance of these two smartphones are pretty close. As I always say in all of my smartphone review videos, especially gaming smartphone review videos, that yeah, benchmark is a thing people like. Benchmark shows a lot of things. Benchmark gives us hints of quality, but actually benchmark cannot truly portray the real life performance of a smartphone. Like, I really enjoy gaming on this Red Magic 6S Pro, and even if this Black Shark 4S Pro is a gaming smartphone, the comfortness, the smoothness is much better on this one. Considering the price of this Black Shark 4S Pro, it doesn't offer that type of smoothness while playing games for long term. Okay, both of these two smartphones have very high refresh rate, 165Hz on Red Magic 6S Pro and 144Hz on Black Shark 4S Pro. Red Magic 6S Pro additionally offers this 90Hz option, which actually keeps the battery in check and offers a very satisfying and smooth scrolling. On Black Shark 4S Pro, if you want to save battery, then you need to go down to 60Hz. Well, if I forgot to mention, then yeah, the display panel of Red Magic 6S Pro supports 720Hz touch sampling rate, which is really a great thing. Without any second thought or any hesitation, Red Magic 6S Pro got the best display among all the gaming smartphones, which got a 1080p panel. Black is pretty dark, white is very bright, colors are vivid and vibrant. Finally, battery management of Red Magic 6S Pro is better than Black Shark 4S Pro. There are many options and almost all the information regarding battery performance and expected display on time or standby time is much more accurate on Red Magic 6S Pro. But battery usage stats on Black Shark 4S Pro is more detailed. Well, it's time for verdict, and my winner is Red Magic 6S Pro. Because considering the price, performance and quality, definitely any day I will go with this Red Magic 6S Pro. But Black Shark 4S Pro, yeah, this one is good. And if you really like this mechanical gaming buttons, if you like a better outlook, then you may go for this one. But for the price, I would never recommend this Black Shark 4S Pro over this Red Magic 6S Pro. Also, I have this OnePlus 9 RT. I really love the camera performance of this smartphone considering the price. But once again, if you're looking for budget gaming smartphone, then I would never recommend this one over this Nubia Red Magic 6R. Yeah, if you compare the camera performance, then it sucks beside this OnePlus 9 RT, but gaming performance, definitely better than OnePlus 9 RT. So it depends on what you want, what you like, what you prefer. So the choice changes when you change your requirement. Like, some people would like overall performance, some people would like gaming performance, some people goes for appearance. People like me would definitely go for that charging speed. 120 watt charging speed is really great. Like, sometimes I really feel tired that I have to wait for 40 to 50 minutes to get this Red Magic 6S Pro fully charged. So it depends on you. I have tried to share my honest opinion. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel.